Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you that I am using a trading view strategy that is working like a magic on the trading account, and you can see these are the trades that I have taken today, and you can see a very good profit on the screen and everything is working very fine. I have applied this strategy on gold 1 minute chart, and if I show you the trading view strategy, so basically I will tell you which combination I am using. So if you look at this strategy, then it basically draws the green and red levels on the market. Okay, and like for example, right now this is the gold picture and this is the gold 1 minute. So it has provided a red level here, and you can see I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles, and when we have seen a drop from this level, so this will be the discount zone from where we can actually take our buy positions. And this is not enough, it also provide us with the buy and sell signals. Okay, and one more thing, I have off the many features of this trading setup, so right now they are not visible on your screen, but I will show you those who will book their coaching sessions with me, because this will be a 20-minute coaching session. I will show them that how they can activate those features. So for example, long, and you can see actually the green area on that time appeared here, and right now it is telling us to buy from here. So it tells you the possible market momentum from the market in the different ways. Like for example, we have a sell, and you can see short here and it's working. So I will give the full functional method to the coaching subscribers. So if you want to book your coaching, then I have given the email and the link to Telegram channel in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.